Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can earn money passively while you are browsing the internet, what you are doing every single day. So we all use different browsers like Chrome or Firefox, Opera. So this browser named Brave, okay? So this browser pays you to earn, simply browse the internet every day. So this browser has so many specialties. It's very fast and it's very stable. It has a built-in ad blocker that blocks ads for you, that blocks the trackers for you, that keeps you safe from being tracked or being attacked by malwares from the internet. So this is a really really good browser. So to download this browser, just simply follow the link that I have given in the description. Then you're going to be redirected to this page where you can download this browser. Just click download Brave. When you download it, just simply install it, just like Google Chrome. So then you're going to see a page like this. So sorry, this is an incognito. A page like this will be shown. So next you'll have to go to this link. Okay, the second link that I've given in the description is called publishers.basicaddiction.org. So there you'll have to click sign up first. So when you click sign up, you're going to see this page. You just have to simply put your email address here and click create account. So you're going to receive a confirmation mail that you have to click on and confirm. And after that you are going to be redirected to this page. Okay, so this is the Brave rewards page. You are going to see your balance here, which will be 0 at first. So this is my this month's payment pending right now. This will be paid soon by the 8th or 9th of the month. You're going to be paid every 8th or 9th of each and every month. Okay, so last month I have earned 39 BAT tokens, which is worth $7.15. Okay, $7 just for browsing it, just browsing internet by using this browser. So each BAT token is worth of USD 0.1 currently. So you can also earn by referring people. For each and every confirmed referral, you're going to earn this amount of money. For group 1, you're going to earn 7.50. For group 2, you're going to earn 6.50, and so on. So you can find the group and country details from here. You have to click on this button and you're going to see this page. So in group 1 there is only one country, it's the United States. So if you're referring someone that has downloaded the browser through your referral link, which you can find over here. Okay, just go down and here is your referral link. Just click on it and click copy. There you got your referral link. And you have to add your you can add your website or your YouTube channel so that you can get donations from people as well. You can add your YouTube channel or website or Twitch channel, Twitter, anything. Okay, you can also add GitHub. Okay, so it's really simple. So you're going to see the downloaded, install and confirmed downloads. So a download will be confirmed when someone uses your referral link and downloads the browser, and then they have to use it at least 1 month. Okay, so when they have used the browser for 1 month, you're going to pay it just because of referring him. So if he's from United States, you're going to earn 7.50 US dollars worth of BAT tokens. So the browser pays you to your Uphold account. You see, this is my Uphold account. This is my current balance, and these are the payments from Brave browser. They have sent me 25 BAT, then again 8.5 BAT, then 30 BAT. Okay, so you can convert these BAT tokens to your different other currencies like US dollars, or Bitcoins or Ethereum, you can just convert to any currency you want in your Uphold account. Just suppose that I have now BTC here. You can find your Brave browser BET tokens right here. Okay, so you can just click on the currency you want to convert. Then you have to just send to click here, send to an Uphold card. So I can just convert the BAT tokens or the Bitcoins to any other currencies that I want. Then I can just transfer them to my external wallet or to my bank accounts. So it's that simple to earn from this browser every month. So you can see this little triangle here that you can click and go to reward settings. And you can also earn by watching ads. Okay, you have to make sure that these options are turned on, and this option should be turned off. Okay, the auto contribution, you don't want your tokens to be automatically contributed every month, right? So click on this ad settings and select 5 ads per hour. So you're going to see ads every day. If you're from the selected countries, you're going to watch 5 ads per hour. That is going to give you some extra earnings. All right, so you have to connect your Uphold account and verify it, and you're going to see the earnings from your ads here, and your total earnings will be shown on this link here. So your earnings will be paid out on each 8th or 9th of every month automatically. So that's it, guys. Happy earning.